This is exactly how to play Subnautica 2 with a controller on your PC. So firstly, what you need to do is to put your controller into pairing mode. So what I have to do myself to be able to put it into pairing mode, for you it might be different, but I just have to click on this button right here to be able to turn it on. And then what I need to do is to go to settings here on my PC. So I'm just gonna click on settings here on my PC. I'm just gonna make sure so you can see as well, of course. So I'm just gonna zoom in here a little bit. I hope you guys can see it now. So then I'm going to click on Bluetooth and devices and then click on add device. Then I'm going to click on Bluetooth here and I need to find my controller here. So this is my controller and now it's connected. You can see your device is ready to go now. So what we need to do after that is very simple. Go to your Steam here. So you need to open up Steam and then click on your logo in the top left corner and click on settings. Now in here, scroll down and click on controller. And now on this page, you can now see your controller if it's connected. And you can also click on show advanced settings. Make sure to enable Steam input for Xbox controllers if that's the one you have, the PlayStation controller if that is the one, or Switch Pro controller here, or any generic controller that you might have as well here, as you can see. So enable it. And after that, you can now go to your Subnautica 2 game and it should now recognize that controller. So basically that is exactly how to do this.